Hello everyone, my name is Lily, and today I am going to walk you through how to remove the age restriction on YouTube. So if you cannot watch a YouTube video because it is age restricted, keep watching this video because I am going to show you 2 different ways to remove the age restriction. So without any further ado, let's get started right away. So first of all, make sure that your YouTube application is completely up to date, because I am showing you this tutorial using the latest version of the app. So once you do that, open up your YouTube app and then just follow these steps. So once you are logged into the YouTube app, tap on your profile picture at the top right-hand side of the screen. Select Settings. And then once you are on this screen, tap on this first option over here called General. So now when you are on your General settings, you want to scroll down a little bit, and you will find Restricted Mode. So you want to toggle that off. And by doing that, you have now turned off the age restriction on YouTube. So if you toggle this off but still cannot view age-restricted content on YouTube, it's possible that you might have accidentally entered the wrong date of birth when creating your Google account. Go back and then tap on your profile picture again. And then tap on Manage your Google account. Then wait a couple of seconds for it to load your Google account settings. And then go to the Personal Info tab and tap on the birthday option. When you are on this screen, you can edit your date of birth, so you want to change your date of birth to be over 18, because you need to be over 18 to view age-restricted content on YouTube. After you've chosen your age, tap the Save button at the bottom right, and you should be able to view age-restricted content on YouTube. That's it for this video. I hope one of these solutions fixes your issue. If it did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more helpful content like this one. If you have questions about this process, please let me know in the comments section below. Thanks so much for watching and I hope to see you soon.